On the bike. We're almost there, boys. I couldn't record me doing the top end, but I'll throw in the little clips I got from like Instagram and Snap. But she's getting there. That's right, boys. Shit, the bitch. Get these rings out like a bitch. Should be back in a couple hours. Let's go! Here comes the fucking pass. Boom! He fucking hit him. There goes the beef. Well, we're getting there, boys. Got some parts off. Alright, now I gotta take the top end off. Shout out to my bro for the Cobalt kit. Let me borrow it, because look at my toolbox. But that's right, this shit has everything. Spark plug looks like it's gonna pop off. Back in business, boys. Let's go. Here's the before. We're here right now. I fucked up. I leaked all the fucking oil. I should have drained it before, but oh well. Just gotta get some cat litter and get it done. Let's get this fucking cam shit off. Already got the fucking thing off. Now time to get the cylinder off. Let's go, boys. Update on the fucking piston. Holy shit. Look at this, John. That's a lot of fucking. Damn.
Low key,
that's right, boys.
My very first camera like that, little GoPro. I did that.
Oh, here.
You like hear me breathing, like filming myself on the mountain bike and shit.
Factory helmets all day. Look at that.
Hell yeah.
Factory fucking sweater, factory bike,
Mike has his
factory cowie, factory pitter. We got James out there on the pitter.
Shit, I don't know what brand this fucking.
Rail it!
Damn, she was blinging out here. Holy shit, look at it. Get a drip on cam, man.
Got the jewels.
Triple studded on the links, man.
Oh, damn,
okay.
okay. It's fucking sand right now. Look.
Too much gold out here, man.
But it's all good. Watch this fucking winter. It's gonna be prime. Scunted Warrior. Someone trashed the place. It's so fucked up. Grow weed, but don't fucking trash it. Fuck. This is the OG spot. One of the caves. We out here. Nuevo caves, boys. See? Right.
Yeah.
Oh! Yeah.
Oh.
Let's go. That one went that way and that one went right there. Fucking disgusting. Why? Go to the dumpster. Ridiculous. Look at this. Fully fucking trashed. Okay. Needs that rear end. That's the farthest one. Oh! Still going. Oh, that would have been good. We need the new rear end right now. Got you right now. Okay. Got some tail lights. Oh shit. Looking green. Got a tailgate. Another headlight. Interior's pretty good. 10 out of 10. You guys got on this 1969 baby. She's a barker. Full on FMF all the way to the back. If you ain't barking, you ain't rolling. That's right. Got my soul barking over there.
Don't do that jump like 5 times.
Oh yeah, long ass motos, bud.
I was pushing right there.
Damn though. Woo!
The tank is leaking.
20-minute moto.
Smells like.
Let's see if it's barking out of the
like
pipe
4
or
laps, I
smoking.
think. That was 4 laps.
Good ass piston still. That shit ain't smoking. Okay. Well, turn your gas off.
Why did I do that?
69, baby. Heard her rip. That red interior though.